The Studson SHK1 retails at $300. It is the safety helmet that has been marketed across construction social media for the last 3 years as the new standard, replacing traditional Type 1 hard hats with Type 2 construction, featuring full lateral impact protection chin strap and modern climbing helmet aesthetics. The Studson is genuinely well engineered, the ANSI 89.1. Type 2 Class C rating is real. The construction quality is real. The price reflects a marketing infrastructure built around influencer endorsements, social media advertising, and the positioning of the helmet as a status object on the job site. Here is what the marketing does not mention. ANSI 89.1. Type 2 Class C is a published federal certification standard. Every helmet that meets the standard delivers the same documented impact protection profile. The certification is binary. The helmet either meets it or does not. There is no premium ANSI Type 2. There is only ANSI Type 2. OSHA does not recognize a $300 helmet as safer than a $50 helmet at the same certification. The certification is the protection. Anything above the certification is positioning, not engineering. 5 safety helmets carry the identical ANSI Z 89.1 Type 2 Class C rating as the Studson SHK1 at prices ranging from $40 to $150. The protection is the same. The certification is the same. The federal compliance is the same. By the end of this, you will know which 5. Brand 1, Pyramex Ridgeline. Pyramex Safety Products was founded in 1991 in Piperton, Tennessee. The brand is one of the largest American manufacturers of safety eyewear, hearing protection and head protection equipment, supplying industrial, construction, and government markets. The Pyramex Ridgeline XR7 and XR9 retail at $40 to $80. The helmets carry ANSI Z 89.1, Type 2 Class C and Class E certifications, meaning they pass both lateral impact protection and electrical insulation testing requirements. The construction is a 6-point suspension system with adjustable head sizing and integrated chin strap mounting points. Pyramex is one of the largest volume Type 2 safety helmet brands in the American industrial market. The helmets are used in pipeline construction, electrical utility work, refinery maintenance, and general construction. The pricing is 1/4 to 1/5 of the Studson at the identical federal safety certification. This is what an actual industrial safety helmet costs without the social media marketing budget attached. Brand 2, Klein Tools. Class C. Klein Tools was founded in 1857 in Chicago, Illinois. The brand is one of the oldest American electrical tool manufacturers and operates with strong recognition among professional electricians and electrical contractors. The Klein Tools Class C Type 2 safety helmet, models 60150 and 60407, retails at $80 to $120. The helmets carry ANSI Z8 9.1 Type 2 Class C certification. The construction uses a 4-point or 6-point suspension system with vented and non-vented options. The helmet weighs 14 to 15 ounces at the lighter end of the Type 2 safety helmet category. The brand credibility carries weight in this category. Professional electricians have used Klein tools for over 160 years. The application of that brand to safety helmets brings the same reliability expectation. The price reflects Klein's accessible pro positioning rather than a premium marketing premium. The helmet is also available in a high visibility yellow configuration that meets ANSI/ISEA 107 retroreflective requirements for low-light work environments. This is engineering specification, not aesthetic choice. The men who buy this helmet are buying it because the spec sheet matches what their employer's safety program requires. Hill's Science Diet recalled 33 SK-US in 2019 after vitamin D toxicity caused confirmed dog deaths and resulted in settled litigation. Victor Pet Food recalled multiple brands in 2023 to 2024 after salmonella contamination at the Texas manufacturing facility caused hundreds of confirmed illnesses and 7 human cases. Kibbles and Bits and Gravy Trains settled the 2017 pentobarbital litigation without admission of liability, with rendered meat sourcing as the unresolved underlying question. Beneful settled the 2015 to 2016 propylene glycol litigation, adding a documented safety concern to a documented ingredient quality concern. The 3 safe brands share one structural characteristic. The Honest Kitchen manufactures under human-grade FDA standards. Ziwi Peak Air Dries single-source named meats from traceable New Zealand farms. Open Farm operates batch-by-batch ingredient traceability that no mass-market brand. Brand 3, DeWalt DPG23. DeWalt is owned by Stanley Black & Decker, the same parent company as Craftsman, Porter Cable and Black & Decker. The DeWalt personal safety line operates within Stanley Black & Decker's broader PPE manufacturing infrastructure. The DeWalt DPG23-Y Type 2 vented safety helmet retails at $50 to $80. The helmet carries ANSI Z8 9.1 Type 2 Class C certification with included chin strap and adjustable suspension. The construction is comparable to other Type 2 safety helmets in the category, with venting positioned for hot environment work. The brand carries the recognition of the DeWalt Power Tool catalog. The PPE line is manufactured under contract by specialized safety equipment producers, comparable to the structural sourcing relationships in DeWalt's broader tool catalog. The price reflects the absence of a separate marketing budget specifically for the helmet category. If this is the first time anyone has explained the structural pricing of safety helmets to you, subscribe. No brand sponsorships, no affiliate codes, just the ANSI certification. Brand 4, 3M Secure Fit X 5000 3M is one of the largest personal protective equipment manufacturers in the world. The company manufactures respirators, safety eyewear, hearing protection, and head protection for industrial, military, and emergency response applications. The 3M Secure Fit X 5000 safety helmet retails at $90 to $150. The helmet carries ANSI 89.1 Type 1 or Type 2 certifications depending on the configuration, with Class C and Class G electrical options. The construction uses 3M's proprietary pressure diffusion technology, a band-style suspension system engineered to distribute fit pressure evenly across the head. 3M operates one of the most documented research and development programs in industrial safety engineering. The brand is a Fortune 500 industrial conglomerate with safety equipment as a core business unit, not a startup positioning safety equipment as a lifestyle product. The X5000 is what 3M engineers consider a safety helmet should be, at a price that reflects 3M's industrial market position rather than influencer marketing. Brand 5, Ergodyne Scullers Inertia. Ergodyne was founded in 1983 in St. Paul, Minnesota. The company specializes in industrial ergonomics and safety equipment with a focus on worker comfort engineering across the PPE category. The Ergodyne Scullers Inertia Type 2 safety helmet retails at $80 to $130. The helmet carries ANSI 89.1 Type 2 Class C certification with multi-directional impact protection, a system designed to manage rotational impact forces in addition to direct impact. Similar in engineering principle to the MIPS technology used in cycling helmets. Ergodyne is not a household name. It is a specialty industrial safety brand selling primarily through industrial distribution rather than retail. The product is engineered specifically for industrial use by a company that has built its reputation on safety and ergonomics for 40 years. The pricing reflects industrial channel distribution rather than consumer marketing. This is one of the most engineered Type 2 safety helmets available at value tier pricing. 5 helmets, 1 operating logic. Pyramex Ridgeline meets ANSI Z 89.1, Type 2 Class C and Class E at $40 to $80. One of the largest volume industrial safety helmet brands in the American market. Klein Tools. Class C delivers the heritage of the oldest American electrical tool brand in a 14 to 15 ounce Type 2 safety helmet at $80 to $120. DeWalt DPG-23 leverages Stanley Black & Decker's PPE manufacturing infrastructure at $50 to $80 with the same Type 2 Class C certification as the Studson. 3M Secure Fit X 5000 brings one of the world's largest industrial safety manufacturers and proprietary pressure diffusion technology at $90 to $150 with full Type 2 Class C or Class G certification. Ergodyne Sculler's Inertia integrates multi-directional impact protection, rotational force management technology comparable to MIPS at $80 to $130 in a Type 2 Class C helmet. The 5 helmets share one structural characteristic. They meet the same federal safety certification, ANSI 89.1 Type 2 Class C as the Studson SH-K1, with documented impact protection profiles that the federal certification requires every Type 2 helmet to deliver. The construction is engineered to the standard. The standard is what protects the head. The marketing premium the Studson charges is real. The protection differential against any of these 5 helmets is not documented in the federal certification record because the certification does not allow for it. The man who buys the Studson is not buying a safer helmet. He is buying the helmet that the social media algorithm has positioned as the helmet a serious worker wears. The serious worker on the actual job site is wearing Pyramex, Klein, DeWalt, 3M, or Ergodyne. The certification is the same. The cost is 1/5.